Are we buying? Are we selling gold? In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys exactly the trade breakdown for gold for today on the 25th of April 2023. So in this video, I'll explain exactly are we buying or selling gold. And watch until the end to understand what's going to happen. Now, with that being said, traders, this morning on this live in my free group, we took a trade right here, went up, and exactly I closed here, as I said, that's my first targets and second targets. And the reason why I closed is because on the lower time frame, I saw market rejecting and didn't want to break above it. And I knew, okay, if it doesn't break above the high, it wants to sell lower. And guess what? It's sold lower. Now, the case is we always want to adapt to the market condition. And when I say market condition, with the current trend, you don't want to marry a trend. You want to be able to trade the trend, but if it changes into a new trend, you trade the trend again, the new trend, right? So let's break down, is the market in an uptrend or a downtrend for the current day. Now you guys know we trade the current trend because we are day traders, not swing traders. So as day traders, we look at the current trend for the day. Now with that being said, what is the date? The date is the 25th. If we can understand what's happening on this market, let's go step by step through it. You can see right over here on this end, somewhere around here, the day starts, we go high, we low, and let me just zoom this in for you guys so you can see what I'm talking about, right? You see there's a high right over there, there's a low over here, okay? And we continue going high from here to the low right there. We have a high right there, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, right? Then we have a higher high, higher low, equal, and we have a lower low right now. So let's put us back on to line chart settings, and we start off with the high, as like that, okay, and then we're going to put all the highs up nicely, okay, so you can see that is nice equal, that is nice equally on top, and that is beautifully equal on top there as well. Equal, highs are equal, make sure all the highs are equal, there we go. And then our settings, again, make it as a low, and now we have to do all the lows, okay guys? So equally where the market does the turning points. Now this turning points, in actual fact, if you just want to learn, if you guys want me to do a video for you guys on this type, what I'm doing right here, how to use the line chart to identify trends, right? How to identify your trends properly, comment down below right now how to identify trends. Like this video and subscribe. Don't forget to do so. Comment down below trends. I'm very active as the video is just posted now, right? I'm actively commenting with you. I'm interacting with you guys, right? So comment down below anything you want, or if you want me to guys to do this videos for you guys, right, about maybe how to spot trends, how to identify trends, how to draw these things, okay? So this is just a breakdown. As you can see right there, equally over there as well. I think that should be equal. Okay, there we have an equal there, we're equally there, and here we equally as well. Beautiful. Now, put back the charts. You see, that is clean. So now what happened is we had an uptrend here. Okay, let's follow. We had an uptrend here. There we had a break of structure, right? Here we had a break of structure. Market broke structure, came back, tested, sold off. Okay, let's follow. And we had a downtrend. Now let's see what happened, right? You can see we had a downtrend. We had a high, lower high, lower high, and then we had a lower high, but then we had a higher high here. So if I can follow this up step by step for you guys, that we had an uptrend, downtrend, and then we started going into uptrend. So this morning when I was trading live on the Zoom, I was saying actually in the free group, if you're not in the free group, the link's down in the description, and my VIP mentorship is opening today, so it's going to be great stuff. So if you want to join my VIP mentorship, which include live trading on a daily basis, live daily webinars, as well as live signals given out every single day, the link is in the description to join the group, and in the group I'll give a notification for the mentorship intake for 2023. Now you can see I took the trade right here, okay, and the reason to that is because we had a nice breakthrough structure, we had a high, and I said, okay, higher low, and I bought, okay, and my target was right over here because that's the high, and then I had another high target on top. Now the reason why I didn't take all the highs, see market was took the target, is because it failed to break high, so I closed out, right? Then we had market breaking the structure right here. Where structure broken? Right over this region over here. We have broken structures right there. So break of structure happened right here. At the same time, you can see here we have a massive, a great turning point, which is the AOI or support resistance, you want to call it. But a great turning point. We're breaking that support right there. And then now we're testing it, right? So you can see we're testing. Now, for me personally, what is the trend, Shaquille? The trend for the day is bearish. Okay, that's the trend for the day. I'm seeing a bearish trend for the day, and wow, how do I know where are we selling or buying, guys? This is where I will doing this. So you can see a downtrend, right? And then all I do is from the high. Let me just delete all this stuff for you guys so you guys don't get confused, right? This is it. I'll be looking for cells, right? If I look for cells, is from this region to this region, from the zone right here, which is that break of structure area, this break of structure area, I'm looking for cells at this area right here, okay, known as my golden zone. This is where we're looking for cells. Now, if the market, and this is how it works, right? If the market comes up here and it sells, I sell lower towards this target. Target point will be, the first target will be 1987, right? The second target will be 1985, and the third target will be 1981. If the market does not do this, right, and it breaks above where the highs, which is this high right here, um, this region above here, right? If it breaks above the high, which will be this area, if it breaks above it, what will happen then, right? So we're looking for something like this. I'll be looking for buys, okay? So it will look like this. There's a resistance point, okay? If market breaks above it, all we're going to do is simply look for a clear break above, retest, and we're going to look for the buy higher. That is basically what we're looking for traders if the market gives us that opportunity to buy. Now, with that being said, the market is down, so we're looking for continuation of sells. But if the market does want to impulse through here and give a retest here, then we're looking for the buy. With that being said, guys, if you like this video, like and comment down below anything you want. If it's another market you guys want me to analyze for you guys, or anything else, guys, ask me questions in down below. The description is a lot of good stuff for you guys. If you want to follow my Instagram, join the free group, or anything else, sign up a broker, anything good stuff, look at the description, says everything else. But if you have any questions, drop it on the comment and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe as well. You're meant to Shakil Samai. Sign on to the next one. Cheers.